Hi, my name is Ellie Perry and I'm the registered dietitian at Berklee College of Music in Boston. I love sushi, lots of people love sushi, and I love making sushi. So today I'm going to show you how to make sushi. I've got a few things here that I'll show you, and there are a couple tips that I can tell you too about making sushi for yourself. So right here is the sushi mat. We wrap it in plastic wrap so it keeps the mat clean and the rice doesn't stick to the bits of bamboo, and then it's easy to clean afterwards. Right here we've got nori. Nori is a type of seaweed, but it's roasted seaweed. So they puree seaweed and they make sheets of it and roast it, and then that's what's used to make the sushi maki rolls. We have sushi rice. So sushi rice is a short grain rice, and when it gets cooked up, it sticks together a bit more than regular rice. This is the sushi rice cooked. I seasoned it with rice wine vinegar and some sugar. You can get already seasoned rice wine vinegar and use that instead. And there's instructions on the back of the bottle, and you can find them in the rest of my class. So we'll take a piece of nori and put it down on the sushi mat. And then next, I'm gonna put rice on it. We're gonna cover about 2/3 of the sushi nori so that when we roll it, we'll have some to roll over. The rice is sticky, so we'll be pressing it. And then I've got a little bowl of water there so my hands can rinse off. So I'm pressing it, and I want it only a few grains of rice thick. We don't want it too thick. Sometimes starting with wet hands makes it easier to press, as you can see. I'm gonna add a little bit more rice. So I love all sushi. At home, you can make vegetarian sushi, you can make sushi with cooked items like cooked shrimp. You can also get sushi grade tuna from Whole Foods or other grocery stores. Sushi grade fish does go through a special freezing process, so you'd have to be careful and look out for that if you were trying to do a raw sushi at home. All right, I almost have it covered. Today we're going to be doing something like a California roll. So California rolls use the imitation crab meat and a few vegetables. And I've got some of my favorite vegetables here today. So I've got some scallions, some cucumber, some avocado. So if you see, it's about 2/3 covered. So we're going to keep it on the mat. Each bit of bamboo will help to tighten it as we roll. So here are my ingredients. They're all sliced into strips so I can lay them down along the rice. You also want to get them kind of thin, so we call this a julienne. It's a bit bigger than a julienne, but it's as thick as a matchstick. And we'll lay down the cucumber first. And then this is the imitation crab meat. A few pieces of avocado. And then some scallions that I've sliced thin. And again, you can put anything in these sushi rolls, any type of vegetables like carrots, green peppers, red onions, whatever you're feeling like. So we've got it full, just like this. You don't want to overfill it because then it will burst when you roll it. So first thing to do is you fold it over once, and you tighten with your hand as you fold and roll. Then you roll it one more time, and you tighten again. And you can pull on the mat, and pulling on the mat and the bamboo tightens it, and then you can roll it one more time. I'm going to use a little bit of water just to stick the rest of the nori to the roll. So here we've got a roll. We finished making a sushi roll. So next is to slice it into the nice sushi slices that you get at a restaurant. So here is one of my favorite knives. It's like a chef knife. It's easy to rock and easy to hold. I hold it like this so I get a lot of control. I'm gonna slice. Ta-da! We've made sushi. I serve my sushi with pickled ginger, like they traditionally do at restaurants. So here's some pickled ginger, here's some wasabi, and here's some soy sauce. Delicious.